Morning, really nourished family. It's pretty early, so I'm not gonna talk too loud, but I wanted to start this morning with an early morning blessing. Thanks be to God for this new day, and I want to start to show you a few of the things that are available to you in the sweepstakes. I'm starting to put this Thrive Market box together. First of all, for those of you who don't know, Thrive Market has been called by some publications, it's like the ethical Amazon. So it is a subscription based $60 a year, and every subscription, with every paid subscription, they give a free subscription, one free subscription to a family who wouldn't be able to afford the paid subscription. But their goal is to make organic, clean, healthy foods and products. They sell a lot of wide array of beauty products that are and they vet everything for chemical content, organic ingredients, GMOs. They don't sell anything that contains any GMO ingredients. Lots of great vegan stuff. Um, Lots of stuff like free nail polishes and great stuff like that. So anyway, that's their thing. So Thrive Market is a service that Americans are very blessed to have, and I hope that they make their way into other parts of the world. But in the meantime, um, they're available in the United States. If you go to thrivemarket.com, you could read about them and you can join. But if you're not sure you want to join, you could just enter my sweepstakes and perhaps receive a free shipment of stuff from them that I'll be sending out to you. Really Nourish Gives, hashtag Really Nourish Gives on Twitter, and here on YouTube is my sweepstakes I'm running. The link is below the video, so just click that link right down there and you can fill out the entry form. If you live in the 48 contiguous United States, I can send you a box of wonderful things. And so one of the things I want to do this morning is show you a couple of the things that I intend to put in the box. So um, Bragg's is a favorite brand of mine, and so I decided I'm going to include a bottle of their organic, extra virgin, unfiltered, unrefined olive oil, and it is USDA organic, non-GMO, and is kosher. And what's so lovely is they also have a bit of scripture on here. 3 John 2, which is, Beloved, I pray that you be in good health, that you prosper and be in good health, even as your soul prospers. So that's wonderful. And then another product I'm going to include is the Bragg's raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, and it is also USD organic, made from organic apples and non-GMO. I'm also going to include a container of the Bragg's nutritional yeast, which I really love. It is a nutritional yeast seasoning. I'll talk about nutritional yeast in another context, but basically it's my source of B12, and I like to sprinkle it on popcorn to give it kind of a cheesy flavor, and it's very good for your body. My kids love it. We call it Nooch for short. But so those are some of the great things that I intend to include in this box. What I want to do is send a really nourished package to help you really nourish your family. Um, and I want to encourage you to check Thrive Market out and subscribe. So have a blessed day.